Welcome to the CryptoNest. So Chainlink, as you can see, I did some adjustments. So once again, another coin doing, yeah, up to now 3-wave up into a diagonal. It does work out. And is it going to do actually the 4th wave bend on and touch the lower upper trend line into this channeling we will see soon? So once again, we did the wave 1, a wave 2, a 3rd wave here, and now I believe we are working on this 4th wave, and I see that maybe this is the A. We did an A, B, C to complete the wave B, and now we're doing this C wave. Now we almost reach it, so is it done or not yet? Ideally, I would love to see them go a little bit lower. Let me see that one. It's maybe update a little bit more. And okay, so this was beginner wave A. Yeah, okay, so that's working out. So 1-to-1 ratio, yeah, you can see that because we did a higher wave B, then it would make sense why we didn't, well, I mean, we did go lower, right? But we didn't touch that trend, but technically if we were a little bit more on the side, we would have. So now the question is, wave 4 completed, and now we're going to go for this 5th wave, or we're going to go still a little bit lower, or just touch the band there. But technically, it did reach the requirement, and that was the 3rd wave, I think, into a diagonal. Yeah, usually, I can see these. I can see 3 waves, right? A, B, and C. So technically, it's done. Let's see some indicators now. What do they tell us? Okay, Stark RSI, it's almost overbought. RSI is still going lower. I am not convinced that price is going to skyrocket. Let me see, maybe 4 hours if something is different. Yeah, a lot of time, honestly, the Stock RSI doesn't lie. And when I see it there and overbought, it's really one of my main reference that it tell me, well, for sure, beside my primary one, it's always price action. But you can see that now we're going to maybe start to face this little problem to break the previous resistance here. And this is why now I'm debating if, I think anyway, prices should go a little bit lower, maybe go at the same level as we reached here before, or maybe just go a little bit slightly lower to make me happy and make a lower low, and we can call that a wave C, a successful one. And then after that, that will allow us to recharge our RSI, make it yeah, very nice structure for the last leg up. Now that could coincide with the wave B of Bitcoin. Sometimes there are correlations, sometimes not. We're going to see when we get there. Anyway, well, for sure, if Bitcoin dropped 10%, I don't think Chainlink has enough power to counter the trend and do its own things. But if Bitcoin is being reasonable, I believe Chainlink is going to do and fulfill its destiny and do this 5th wave. So is it time to get into Chainlink? Oh boy, I have a lot of people that ask me those kind of questions, but it's like it's a little bit hard to say, right? It should go around $28 now. This is personal. It's almost 100%, maybe 75%, somewhere like that. Well, for sure, if we get a little bit lower, we kind of double, so that would be honestly an 100% upside. But then after that, we're going to have a bigger correction movement. So just wanted to put it out there. Let me go on the daily, maybe it's easier. Yeah, so eventually one day we're going to make a correction. So let's say we go to $28. the minimum that it should go right is going to go around 1950 and ideally about $14. So we're not far from the price we are here. So if that can help some people who have a dilemma, is it too late now? So the best, you know, if I didn't have any Chainlink, I would get a little bit now. And if we get a correction, then as long as we reach lower levels, I will increment my positions. That's how I would do it. But I know this is not financial advice, and this is how I would interact and start to accumulate. That would be my strategy. But I already have Chainlink, quite of a small bag, and I'm happy with my bag, and I could just let it run for the next year and a half, and I'm fine with that. If we go lower, I will get more if it's really a very nice, appealing levels. So this is this is what I wanted to share with you about Chainlink. And so once again, my next target, it's about, you know, $26, $27, $28. That's my target. And yes, it's looking good. Crypto is looking good. And once again, best time to buy, it's if you see minus 30, like days, like minus 25, minus 30, I believe those are the day where we need to buy. So if you see something, Chainlink tomorrow pumping plus 15%, you know, just ask yourself who's going to buy at that level. You know, it's 20% higher today. So when there is a big pump, there is always a correction, a short one. So, you know, we need to reprogram ourselves. We need to buy when it's red and sell when it's green. Now, the funny thing, in Asia, when it's red, stocks are going up, and when it's green, it's red, actually making a correction. And I was like, what? Yeah, I know, it's the opposite of us. So at the beginning, I thought they were fooling with me, but then no, it looks like, red, it's green for them, and green, it's red for them. All right, so this is pretty much all for Chainlink for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.